Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and you're probably going to be, what? Wednesday? Whatever happened to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday? Well, Sunday I tacked on to last week's outfit of the day, and Monday and Tuesday I went off to bring my daughter back to college and move her in. I have to say this is her junior year and this is the easiest move in yet, and that was partly because she's moving into an apartment and we had more space to move around in, and two, air conditioning. Much needed on a hot summer day. So she's all settled and moves in. She actually starts classes after Labor Day. Northeast schools, this is typical that you start after Labor Day here. But she has an on-campus job that she had to be there for on Tuesday to welcome in the freshmen. So her move-in day was on Monday. We spent overnight in the hotel there. And then from there, we went to the gym because I belong to a gym, a chain, Orange Theory Fitness, and there was a local franchise there. We went there to the gym and then had breakfast and came back home. And it's a good, 3.5, 4 hour drive from my house. So today, what am I doing? It is hot outside. I'm back to work, working from home, and I'm actually going to physical therapy tonight. I've had for a long time hip pain, probably from overuse, from running, and my primary care physician suggested PT to see if that helps it a little bit. So yeah, I'm getting my evaluation tonight. So one, it's hot outside, so I didn't want to wear pants, and two, I needed to wear something loosey-goosey that I can move around in for PT. So I decided on this loft outfit. It was like the one that I wore last Sunday that was white and blue stripes. This is like orange with like a palm print. It's like a linen blend, and they're loosey-goosey type of shorts and very flowy top. Again, the one shoulder bra underneath is a one shoulder sports bra. Very comfortable, and highly recommend that you find these in your wardrobe. And I only have on my socks today because I'm just hanging around the house doing my work, and then I'll plan on putting my sneakers out before going to PT. And this is my outfit for today. Sorry, it's not that exciting. No jewelry either. For the PT, number one, and number two, I now have like a cyst or infection in my earlobe, and up high, and I have no idea why. It just started yesterday. So I'm gonna chill out with the earrings for a while. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday and coming at you with my outfit for today. So what's going on with me? Well, last night I went to PT, had an evaluation done, and I'll be following up in mid-month with some regular sessions to try and help improve my hips and hip flexors. So last night we were woken in the middle of the night by a terrible, terrible storm. You couldn't believe this thing. My husband is going to be out there for days cleaning up after it. It was just incredible. Power went out 5 to 6 hours. We were sweating and kept awake by the storm most last night. So I didn't plan an outfit for that. I had one thing in mind, and it did cool down a lot out there, but I'm still sweating. I don't think the air conditioning has cooled me off, and I don't know if it's a friggin' hot flash or the air conditioning, not working half the night, but I'm hot. So what I was originally going to wear for cooler weather, I said, you know what, let me hold off and probably wear it next week. So what am I wearing today? I'm wearing this little top by Evereve. I've worn this outfit before for you. It's okay to repeat outfits. Matter of fact, it's expected to repeat outfits, right? And we don't wear our clothes just once. We spend a lot of money on our clothes. All right, with it I have paired these cut from the cloth crop pants that I got from a Stitch Fix. They're in a super dark olive green, and they're very lightweight. Like, these are not ones I would probably wear in the winter, and that's why I got the full length ones from Sanctuary. I also have paired on my kitten heels, and I have no earrings in because I still have that thing going on with my earlobe. And this is my outfit for today, and I am sweating just talking to you now. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, and let's see, today I got up, went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny because now that's my responsibility again, took my shower, went to my nutritionist, came back home, ate my breakfast. Here I am, and I'm thinking about 7:30 in the morning, maybe a little bit after that, probably like 7:45. and I have to jump on the computer in like 10 minutes. What am I wearing today? It's a gloomy and kind of damp, cold day. Only gonna be in the 70s today. Very dark outside still. I am wearing this Steve Madden faux leather top in this bone color that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle, I believe, last year. With it, I paired my black Ever Eve jeans. They're a straight leg. They're Ever Eve's brand. And I have on my Steve Madden funky shoes that I got in Nordstrom on my very first trip to King of Prussia. And this is my outfit for today. I want to know, I'm going to be probably doing a Q&A. I would like to know if you have any questions for me, to put them in the comments below, and I'll probably be doing a QA over the weekend or the following weekend. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and I'm coming out with you with a lame outfit for today. So I had a different outfit all planned out. I went to the gym this morning. It was 7 a.m. Before I even did that, I took care of the bunny, went to the gym. It was just a strength workout. Immediately after gym, I did my food shopping. They were out of my peppers. Came home, unloaded, had my breakfast, went back out, went to the post office, hit the grocery store again on my way back to get my peppers. Came home, cut up my peppers, put them in the oven. They're all done. And then I took my shower, and I just was not in the mood for wearing the outfit I had picked out. It's a little bit warm and humid today, and that outfit, it was like a thicker, even though it was sleeveless, it was a thicker sweater. And I decided I'm just not up for doing anything today. So I don't even have makeup on. I did just wash my hair and dry it, but yeah, nothing else. It's just one of those days. I hope you guys can understand. So today I'm just wearing this, I think I got this with Shannon. I think it was TJ Maxx. It's just a basic tank, you know, for like 11, 12 bucks. And with it, I paired my tobacco colored shorts from Loft, and I got on my bare feet. And this is my outfit for today. Listen, I would like to do a Q&A for you next week if you guys post your questions in the comments below. If I don't have enough questions, I won't do a Q&A. But if you have questions that you want to ask me, I know there was some concern about the alcohol that's always over here. Feel free to ask away. Nothing to hide. And yeah, it just sits there and collects dust right now. Well, that is it for this week. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Sorry this was a shortened week. And hopefully next week I'll have some more exciting outfits. Take care, and until next time.